to be spraying MicroShield 360, which is an antimicrobial spray, and we're going to spray it on everything, hand-touch surfaces, pretty much anything in the house that has been touched over and over again. It's going to kill any bacteria, pathogens, or viruses on contact instantly.
Is MicroShield 360 safe to use around my family and pets? Yes, MicroShield 360 is non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and eco-friendly. Treated areas can resume normal operation within 15 minutes of a completed treatment. Is MicroShield 360 safe to use on electronics? Yes. The electrostatic sprayers used in the application process produce particles that are 900 times smaller than traditional sprayers. This fine mist is not harmful to most household electronics. Is MicroShield 360 safe to use on kitchen counters, cabinets, dining tables, and other food contact areas? Absolutely. MicroShield 360 Antimicrobial is EPA registered and FDA approved for direct food contact surfaces. Is MicroShield 360 safe to use on furniture? Yes. MicroShield 360 is non-leaching. It will not compromise the surface that it's applied to. It is also colorless, odorless, and approved by the FDA for use on over 1,500 different surface types. MicroShield 360 is effective in providing microbial protection from germs, mold, and bacteria for up to 1 year. MicroShield 360 is applied with an electrostatic sprayer. This method creates a force 75 times greater than gravity, causing it to bond permanently to the surface and start working immediately to inhibit growth. Normal cleaning routine should continue to keep the surface free of dust and debris to ensure maximum effectiveness of the treated surface.
Texas Enviro Shield.